People, good. Whatever time of day it is where you are living. It's morning. Today is what? January 20th. And it's about 9:20 a.m. in the morning. I'm there in the garden. A long time I bring on one video, and show you what's going on. A lot of things has been happening. So I'm going to update you. Recently I'm talking about social issues. But you don't know, this are the bread and butter, so we can't left it out. And peeps, so the ginger them there. I realize that the ones in the pot not doing so well compared to those in the soil at all. So the next season I'm barely gonna plant any ginger. And even if I'm gonna plant ginger in the pot, I'm gonna use soil because I realize that the coir and the potting mixture is not doing well comparing to the soil. I mean, look at these comparing to these. And compared to these, I mean, far better, eh? I mean, look at ginger, people. See what them I produce. This is just one little piece of ginger I started with, like my finger right here, like the head of my finger right here. And look at the amount of ginger. By the time I'm ready to harvest this year, because I'm gonna harvest them this year about summer, I'm supposed to get maybe a pound of ginger or even more from just this one plant. Alright? So I have tomato, but I shouldn't carry on the tomato tree. So watermelon there come again. Alright, so one little one here, so two little ones there. Big up Mr. Foster give me those seeds. But look at them now. Look at the beetroot, people. My. Remember when we saw this? If you want to go and see how I sow these beetroot seeds and prepare the pot and everything, look up in the card now. I'm gonna put a link there to that video. Alright, so click it and you'll see that. Yeah, man, beetroot I produce, man. See there? See there? The fruit there? Them young, but them are come on. Yep. Look good from that watermelon there too. Yeah, man, so I'm pan out and show now I go on at the tire. Beetroot them nice. See it? Bossy peeps. Remember the pepper tree over there, so I actually have to cut it down because it was infested with disease. And I don't know, I not too use a whole heap of chemical in the garden. I still see it upon them when I saw. So if I see it persist, I'm going to just root them up. I'm going to hell with it. Callaloo. I never out of callaloo. 1, 2, 3, 4 around the sun. And man, I'm looking all good. No chemical on these. I'm not putting no chemical on my greens them, Natural we say. So I see the tomato plant, it's on its way home, but trust me, I get around 20 something fruits from this. I couldn't really show. It's one nice fruit I get off it. But look at the quality of these fruits, people. See them? Look at the quality. You see? Some huge fruits. And I see it. So I have to give thanks. I'm a plant around 4 to 5 tomatoes, and there's only 2 grow all the way up to maturity and produce. So we have to give thanks. So I have a couple more here. I have 2 more, and these are Floridade, right? These are the big salad type tomato, right? So Foster again, him give me these, right? The sweet pepper them still bearing, after so many sweet peppers, picking so many of the trees still bearing, still blooming. See them there, still blooming. So I try with them same way. That tomato and I really look all that comparing to the one over there. I mean, these fruits are small, but we have to take it because anything nature give, we have to just accept it down. Yep. Alright, so we have some seedlings right here. So now these are some sweet pepper. Let me tell you, aka what we call bell pepper. So see the variety them, people. It's a mixed variety, so you're gonna have different color: yellow, red, darkish purple. I call it color spectrum. Alright. Big up on my subscriber too, and good friend Sean. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, she gave me these seeds. Yeah. Tomatoes. So I split the tray and have two different set of seeds or seedlings in there. I have tomato at the back. And I said these are some nice florid. I don't think they are florid, but they are salad type tomato. I don't remember the variety. Alright. So at that. I'm gonna plant mostly like the salad type tomato. These nice, you know. These, trust me, these nice to like, especially when you cook. You cook with these, but I love the salad type tomato, and they're big and they can use them for different purpose, multi-purpose, you know. So I them that over there, son, over here, so yeah, man. Going down the line now. I prepared that bin here now, so we have some scraps and so forth in there. We're prepared to receive some soil. Alright, so I'll put some soil in there, so we're going to plant out these. So these tomatoes and peppers, we're going to prepare this bin right here to plant them, and also this bin that has been prepared already. This one is also going to go because the soil is on its way out now, people. Alright, so this is me pick 2 times after this already. I'm gonna pick the 3rd time. So when me pick these me I gotta just remove them. I could have get more, you know, but it's reached like what you call in business, or yes, really they call it the point of diminishing return. So in business, you know, it reach a maximum point of production and then it start to taper off. So that's where this reach now, the point of diminishing return. So we ain't getting too much of a return from it. So what we're putting in compared to what we're get out is not comparable anymore. And so therefore we're gonna get rid of this. So the last time you're gonna see this bunch of soil here. Right, this one is going to remain because that one I just start there. Alright, so that one is going to remain, and we'll have a couple more down the line where we are going to be able to produce fruit we can use. But this have to go, and when we take out this now, we're going to rejuvenate the soil, put back some more fresh soil in it, and we're going to plant some vegetable in there. More like the tomato and sweet pepper, because those are the type of seedlings that we have now. Right, and maybe plant some lettuce or some pop chaw in there. Maybe because it's big enough so that can hold a nice amount. Alright, because we see we got what I'm gonna do is gonna plant pear callaloo in this one. So I may just plant the lettuce and the pop chaw in this one down here, so you know. Yeah, man. And as you can see, the fruit trees them still up and running. See them down in the yard. The mango tree are beer tavan mango now. So those subscribers who they are foreign, if you want to forward in from February, March, April, June, July, when you can get mango from the link up. Alright? I have mango for all of them months there. Yes, peeps. So that is it. And as a quick walkthrough, we'll just give you a shot from right here, show you up line. Yeah. Yeah, man. Just a quick walkthrough of it. You know, show you what is happening. And say that tomato here on the way out. But nevertheless, it produce a whole heap of fruit. Enough fruit me get off it. And of course, my neighbor banana there. So look nice, see? Yeah, man. Pretty banana though. Nice eating banana. Alright. I have one on the back too, but I don't want the honey banana. It's a ripening purpose. I may have planted and them stuff. I'm showing them things there already. At the back. Still did it on the tree. I'm ready for harvest it. Of course, you know I'm not going to harvest it and I'll do a video for showing you guys what is happening. So as I said, I picked tomato this morning. Still have a few leaves. How many I have left? 3, 4, 5 tomato left on the tree. 6 tomato left on the tree. Yeah. Or on the vine. Because tomato is really a vine, you know, guys. So let me speak properly. The tomato vine. Because it's not a tree. We tend to say tomato tree. And of course, we are home on Garden Fix and Tricks, and we are here to teach. Alright, so we have to do the right thing. Alright? So big up on yourself. And thanks for checking in. And if you're a new viewer and the first time you're coming across the channel, remember to subscribe, remember to share the video and comment. Alright, like up and share with the family members so that we can spread it and we can get more subscribers and the platform can grow and everybody benefit. Alright, big up, be of good courage, stay safe, peace.